1917 on an Edexcel Foundation tier paper, but it's applicable for higher tier students. Work out 3/5 divided by 1/6. Give your answer as a mixed number. So we're dividing fractions. I want you to remember, guys, in the exam, KFC, okay, so the famous chicken shop, okay, we're not actually chatting about chickens here, okay, but so, yeah, help you to remember. So, okay, so we keep the first number or fraction the same. F is for flip, so we flip the second fraction, so we reciprocate it, turn it upside down. And then C is for change, we change the divide to a multiply sign. Now multiplying fractions, I multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. 3 times 6 or 3 by 6 makes 18. Over 5 times 1 or 5 by 1 makes 5. I have 18 over 5 for 18/5. Okay, writing this as a mixed number. How many times does 5 go into 18? Well, it goes in 3 times fully, because 3 5s make 15, and the remainder, or the leftover, is 3. So it's 3 3/5, or 3 3/5. The answer we get is 3 3/5 as our final answer, written as a mixed number. Thank you.